Hey guys, it's Cassie from And Other Lovelies, and it's my favorite day of the month. I've got my November Wild Hare kit. This is a deluxe kit this month, which is the largest size kit. And as always, I like to share with you a quick glimpse at what my style profile was. So on the Wild Hare Kit's website, when you're ready to order a kit, it can be monthly, it can be weekly, it can be whenever you want to order a kit. It's on your timeline. You fill out a style profile where you choose embellishments, things that you like, color schemes. You fill out basically a survey telling the curator exactly how you scrapbook and what projects you have planned. So this month I let Allison know that I am definitely in the mood for a fall themed kit. The collection that I had been eyeing is the Goldenrod collection, and so I had asked for a kit that would be curated based around that theme. I'm also not doing a bunch of heavily themey fall autumn things. So we do pumpkin carving, but that's about it. And so I wasn't really looking for something that was heavily Halloween themed or Thanksgiving themed, that sort of thing. Super simple. It really takes less than 5 minutes to fill out your style profile, letting the curator know what you're looking for. So my kit arrived and I am so excited to dive in. I haven't even looked through the papers yet, so this is as new to me as it is to you guys. So yeah, when I first opened it, I honestly squealed when I saw these, which is so lame, I know, but I get excited about stuff like this. So to get started off, let's see what Allison wrote to me. She said, "I hope you love the warm, cozy vibe of this kit. I mixed Auburn Lane with Emerson Lane and Goldenrod and included some awesome embellies, gold thickers, a script alpha, ephemera, acrylic pieces, and new gold clips. I also sent our November cut file. Enjoy." These kits are $38.95. I always love reading the note that Allison sends because they are personalized. This first sticker pack, oh, these are gorgeous. The script is just lovely. Very, very pretty. Oh, that's so sweet. Happy fall and family memory making, Cassie. Ooh, okay. So these are the little gold clips that she mentioned. Oh, very cute. Just little paper clips here, little heart shape. This is the Heidi Swap ephemera from the Emerson Lane line. Oh, look at those florals and tags. And there's some little numbers there too. Let's go ahead and take a peek at this. So this is a 64-piece ephemera pack, which is so much ephemera. Oh my gosh. Seriously guys, this is like my favorite happy mail of the month, is opening this kit, because I never know what's gonna be in it, and so it's really like getting a present. Let's see. These are cute. Guys, there's so many pieces in this kit. So just at first glance, I'm loving the size of this ephemera. It's very small and manageable. It'd be perfect for on 3x4 cards in my Project Life album. But also, these are some of my favorite. I mean, those florals are really pretty, and stripes. There's a bunch of numbers, which I'm getting ready to prep my December daily, so these might sneak into there. A couple frames, postcard, several tags. This is just a jam-packed ephemera pack. Loving this. There's navy, pinks, yellows. This will pair really nicely with the gold of those clips, and enough with these. Next up, oh my gosh, this is the One Canoe 2 12x12 sticker sheet. This is the Goldenrod line, so summertime, less Monday, more summer, better together, the best is yet to be. I love these sunglasses. And I love that even though this is summer themed, the colors are more autumn to me. Look how nicely this looks together, these florals. Look at this script alpha. It's so pretty. And look at all those numbers. Little plus signs, stars. Very versatile. Next up, these are the Bramble Fox clouds. So it looks like a few of them are regular clouds, and then a couple have phrases in them. So this one says love. That one has little raindrops, and then these little hearts. Those are really cute. Now onto the paper. There's so many sheets in this pack. Okay, this first one is from Emerson Lane, Heidi Swap, number, banner strips. Okay, and then the back is a navy and white polka dot. Pink Fresh Studio. And then this is from Indigo Hills 2. These are both pretty. I think I like that side. I'll probably use this one more, but I really like this gray. Look at that. It's really pretty. And then this is the November exclusive cut file. So if you purchase a deluxe kit, this will be cut and included for you. If you purchase a petite kit, you can request to have it cut and included in your kit. I'll probably, because I scrapped small, I'll probably cut it down and make a layout with this as a feature on the side, or maybe cut both parts in half and then lay them on top of each other or something. That could be really pretty. I like it on top of this one. Then this is Jen Hadfield Along the Way, a really nice green and then a floral. I like this one better. Green's really nice. Emerson Lane florals. Ooh, but I like this one better. That stripe. Nice and bold. Yellow has really been speaking to me recently. I don't know why. I don't know where that came from. I've never been a yellow person. I don't look good in the color yellow, so I never pick it. But yeah, this yellow, navy, pink combination is really, really beautiful. This is from the Goldenrod line. This is a floral. And in the back, I absolutely love this. There's kind of a stripe detail here. These are definitely fall colors. I love this. It was exactly what I was hoping for. This is Indigo Hills 2. I've seen a lot of people using this and kind of fussy cutting around. This paper is a little bit overwhelming, but it's so pretty. Look at all the paint splatters around. And then this is gorgeous. I like this one so much. Again, this is Pink Fresh Studio. As much as I love black and white, I am really loving this navy. That's a common theme throughout almost all of these papers. It'll definitely give it a warm feel as opposed to the coldness of black and white. This is from the Goldenrod line. Oh, look at that star sky. It's really pretty. Allison does such a good job of listening to what her customers say. Same with this one. Oh, look at those little pineapple strips. Very pretty. Geometric and a floral. Two of my favorite things. These are from the Heidi Swap Emerson Lane collection, and this set isn't double-sided, but I've got 4 sheets of it, and look at the patterns here. So it looks like a really pretty navy. This is such a Heidi Swap paper, that gorgeous floral pattern. Then this distressed kind of rough polka dot. And this really pretty yellow and coral pink. And then lastly, a nice thick stripe. You can never go wrong with that. Look at all these papers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 papers and a cut file. This is definitely going to keep me busy this month. So that is a look at my November Wild Hare kit. I am planning on using this kit to document a trip that I took out to Connecticut for work, and I'm also going to be using this kit to document a lot of my October and November photos. Getting a little bit colder here. I've pulled out the granny sweater and I am excited to dive into this and start creating. So if you have any questions about this kit or about the Wild Hare kits in general, or have any ideas for layouts that would be perfect with this color scheme, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love reading your guys' comments and hearing your perspective. Thank you so much for watching. You can follow along with me on Instagram as I create with this kit. This month, my handle on there is &otherlovelies. I'll be back soon. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll chat soon. Bye.